In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a link in Outlook 365. This is a simple but powerful feature that can make your emails more informative and engaging. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to copy the link from your browser or app. This could be any link you want to share, such as a web page, a document, or a video. Make sure you've selected the entire URL so that it can be pasted properly. This is crucial because an incomplete link won't work and could lead to confusion. Once you have your link copied, open Outlook 365. It's a widely used email service that offers many tools to enhance your communication. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to do so now. After logging in, you'll see a variety of options and tools on your screen. Now look for the option to start a new email. This is typically found at the top left of your screen, often represented by a button labeled New Email. Clicking this will open a new email window where you can draft your message. This step is important because it sets the stage for composing a new message. Next, click inside the message body. This is the large open space where you can write the main content of your email. By clicking here, you're telling Outlook where you want to paste the link. It's a small step, but crucial for keeping your email organized. With the cursor in the message body, press Ctrl and V at the same time on your keyboard. This is the paste command, and it will insert the link you copied earlier directly into your email. This step saves you time and ensures that the link is placed exactly where you want it. You'll notice that the link becomes clickable automatically. Outlook is smart enough to recognize URLs and will format them so recipients can click directly on the link. This feature enhances the user experience and makes your email more interactive. At this point, you might want to type a message to accompany the link. This could be a brief explanation or a personalized note. Adding context to your link can significantly improve communication and ensure that the recipient understands its purpose. Finally, when you're satisfied with your email, click Send. This is usually found at the top of the email window. Sending the email will deliver your message and link to the recipient, completing the process. Congratulations, you've just learned how to send a link using Outlook 365. This method is quick and efficient, allowing you to share valuable resources with ease. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this feature, the more intuitive it will become. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this skill as useful as I do.